This is a tutorial on how to install Windows 8, the Consumer Edition. Make sure that you boot from your DVD or ISO that you've created. This is the splash screen that comes up once you've selected any button now, after setting your BIOS to boot up from DVD or ISO. Okay, we got a selection of languages and time configuration, keyboard layouts. Just starting now after clicking install. Okay, take note of this product key for the Consumer Edition. This is the 32-bit version. Next to the box that I'm typing the product key into, there's a keyboard which is for touchscreen predominantly. You can use it to use the mouse if your keyboard's not working, but I don't think you'd really want to be installing this if you haven't got a working keyboard. Okay, so take note of this product key for the Consumer Edition 32-bit. Obviously you're going to accept that. Click custom install if you want a fresh install. You can do an upgrade, but ideally Microsoft always recommend you do a fresh install because you don't know whether there's going to be compatibility problems with your software and hardware. Okay, it's just copying files. This is a skipped version of the tutorial today. It will obviously take about half an hour, but this has been condensed down to approximately 9 minutes or so. Okay, it's just getting ready to reboot. Do make sure that you take your DVD out, otherwise it may want to install again. You'll be in a never-ending loop for those of you that haven't done this before. In this case, I haven't taken the DVD out. Okay, you've got the splash screen that looks slightly different. The fish in the middle. It should be finally logging into the machine. Okay, it wants us to put in a PC name and set a colour. I'm just going to call the PC user. You can always go customize or normal install or express rather. Here it's to sign into a PC linked with your Microsoft Live account. I don't have one, so I'm just going to show you what it looks like if you don't have one. Gives you an option to sign up like the previous screen, and then it says it doesn't work. It tries to put some capture there. I'm going to go back and say don't want to sign in with a Microsoft account and create a local account. I believe that's for the cloud-based apps that are out there, and you'll see some of those once we get to the main desktop area. Just put in a password and a password hint, do make sure that your username is not the same as your PC name. Okay, this is just finalising all the settings, and then in a minute it should be creating a local profile for the machine, which will take about a minute or so. There are quite a few new. Okay, now you can see things there like camera. Obviously you got laptop with a webcam, tablet, and you got